Hello and welcome to this Paperless Senate tutorial. In this video, we will provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to create a new agenda with multiple agenda items using the Paperless Senate portal. Let's get started. Begin by logging into the Paperless Senate portal with your registered email and password. Once you are logged in, you'll find a menu on the left-hand side of your screen. On the menu, click on the Agenda option. Next, click on the New Agenda button located at the top right-hand side of your screen. On the next screen displayed, type a name or title for your agenda. To add an agenda item, click on the Add Agenda Item button. A pop-up window will appear. Enter the title of your agenda item in the designated field. If you would like to attach a file from your device related to the agenda item, click on the Attach File button and select the file you want to attach. After entering the agenda item details, click on the Add Item button to save it. Your saved agenda item will be displayed on the list as seen. To add more agenda items, simply click on Add Agenda Item and repeat the process. Once you are satisfied with the agenda you've created, click on the Create button to finalize and save your agenda. Congratulations! You've successfully created a new agenda with multiple agenda items in the Paperless Senate portal. This will help you manage your meetings more efficiently. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to reach out to our support team.